what do you have to say about the controversial part, Mr. Fawad Khan? You know, like everyone had hyped up about this movie just because of Fawad Khan having that role.
They
you
wanted
know?
to bring more people into the
More
theatre,
people.
and I think they have succeeded in that.
Yeah,
so-
if 8:30 and for at 8:30 show, and it was almost 90% occupied. Well done.
So yeah, I mean, before that, I think Shivai was getting all the attention for the kind of trailer that it was. It's an amazing attempt. I'm not gonna miss Shivai also.
Yeah,
I'm gonna see
exactly.
that also. But I mean, Ajay Devgan directing, acting
Acting and
and
writing
producing it. It's like it looked amazing.
The entire package.
But then the song of Hazel Mushkil came, and people were like, "Oh my
Right.
god!" But then the eyeballs were hit again and again by the controversy. So I think, I think, but it was good. I don't know, it was constructed or whatever. It was.
But knowing that Fawad Khan is such a good actor and people, are fans of
Exactly.
him, like, what do you have to say about his role in the movie? Did he?
See, he was very important part of the story, so you can't miss out onto him. He was needed, and I think he was just pretty good at it. Very subtle. How is he? How he's as an actor, and we should not get into controversies of he's a Pakistani. And no, damn, no. Like it's
All the roles were
cheap
very
thrills.
meaty,
Everything
they
was
had-
very like everything has a depth. Every character has a depth. So it was good to see him. Not a very lengthy role, but for whatever minutes he was there.
Oh
of
yeah,
course,
we
he-
heard girls screaming whenever he came in. Like,
Yeah.
ooh, ah.
you can't do without Fawad Khan. No, you cannot.
Right from Khuda Ke Liye till now, I think
Till
Fawad
now,
has been very
exactly.
consistent in his kind of performances.
I would love
We've loved
to,
him.
Yeah,
We've loved him
I
as
would
well.
love to see him in some really cool villain
Yeah,
roles.
I mean, I would
negative
really
roles.
request not to
Yeah.
let these things come in between. Like the
Nah.
Pakistani actors, the
other guy was
talent
also
we
very
have
good.
there is amazing, and it should be
They are
like there
good.
should be this exchange. Art should not,
Yeah.
be restricted in borders. Like they should not do that.
Even the
At
other
all.
guy, actor, what's his name? I'm so sorry, I forgot his name.
Ali
but
Zafar?
no, not Ali Zafar,
Okay,
who's in the
not in
movie.
this movie.
Oh,
yeah.
the guy who's there in the beginning.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah,
Even
yeah.
he was very good.
Even he's
you
a
know.
Pakistani actor, right?
He's a Pakistani
Yeah,
actor,
I mean,
and he's very good because I've followed him one of his shows on television. I think Zindagi.
Zindagi,
Yeah, he's very good. All of these people
brilliant.
are very good.
all these serials or all these soaps that you see on Zindagi, they are so amazing.
And,
it will be a crime to throttle it on the name
Exactly.
of nation, patriotism,
Politics,
all
whatever
the
it
stupid
is.
constructs that people create to dominate us. So it's crazy. Don't do that.
And maybe if we
Have
can let
brains,
them
people.
be here, maybe our actors, they can learn something from them. How easy and versatile.
it's an exchange.
It's an exchange. Just exchange.
We Indian actors are not accepted in Pakistan. When Pakistani actors are accepted in Indian Bollywood, we actors don't get a chance to get into Bollywood just because they take our role. Yeah, and then that is all because of
but
we
an eye for
giving
eye
them
will
an
make a-
opportunity.
That's
We're
alright.
world blind, right?
Yeah.
An eye for eye will make the world blind. Maybe we keep on doing this. Maybe someday that it will change.
Exactly.
It is the mentality that has to change. We can't just keep on doing that. तुमने ऐसा किया तो हम भी ऐसा करेंगे तो फिर तो कुछ
You
खत्म
don't
ही नहीं होगा ना.
change yourself
It'll
as
just
a
keep
person,
on,
right?
It'll
You
just keep
grow.
on getting bad.
grow.
And you have to understand, all this is a construct. Nation is a construct. Patriotism is a construct. The only thing from north to south to east to west we had common as a country was our colonizers. Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Language, religion, caste, nothing. You and me, nothing. The only thing we had in common, colonizers, Britishers, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the construct of nation, of borders,
It's not us.
it's not, it's crazy. It's human to human. Just understand that. World will be a simple and beautiful place.
Okay, Indian television, Indian movies and everything have been banned in Pakistan. Do you think Pakistani movies should be banned in India?
No.
No, why not? Let us see what they have
It should
to
be okay.
offer.
If at all, we should have a muhim of it should not be banned there. Not that वहाँ पे ban हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे भी ban हो रहा है.
Why? नहीं करना चाहिए.
Opposite, turn the tide. You and me are the new generation. Like, hello,
If
people,
we start
get
talking
out.
this way, I'm sorry,
It's-
then
it's
I
stupid.
see
Love,
no future.
love.
everywhere. I think that's,
That's
why we
all I
chose.
will win.
That's why we chose. I think romance today.
Over destruction.
Over destruction. That
Okay, alright.
love.